Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Money on the Air. Today I'm going to show you some good alternatives to how to make money on YouTube with some niches. And today I have 3 different niches for you. I'm showing you this because also I don't show my face on my videos and turn on I earn money on YouTube every single day without showing my face or commenting my videos. Make sure to subscribe to my channel because I will show you every secret how you can earn money online on YouTube with some tricks. Okay then. The first niche is mediation. But at first make sure that you watch the video until the end because I have a gift for you. There are a lot of videos that have millions of viewers on this type of niche. And they are getting millions of viewers every day, and by getting millions of viewers they also earn thousands of dollars per month or maybe per day or per week. The good thing on this type of niche is that you can earn easy money on YouTube without showing your face. But the best example channel of this is Michael Seeley channel. He gets 1 million of viewers every day without showing his face. In meditation channels is very amazing because you only need to record your voice, or you can hire someone online from Fiverr.com for a low price to do that for you. The number 2 niche that we are going to talk about is scary story niche. You can make money online by making scary stories videos. People love to watch this type of videos. There are a lot of people that will create for you scary stories for a low price on Fiverr.com. On this type of niche you only need a voiceover to tell the scary story, and then you just need a picture or stock video or whatever you can find on internet about this. Also, if you start earning a lot of money from this, then you can hire people to create scary stories for you. This is so amazing, you earn money without doing anything yourself. And the best channel of this type of niche is a channel called Mr. Nightmare, and he has more than 5.2 million subscribers in his channel. He gets 10 million viewers per month, that means he makes a lot of money on it. The second niche is life hack niche. Yes, you can make a ton of money online with this niche on YouTube by making simple life hack videos, and the perfect example of this is 5 Minutes Craft. This channel has 70 million subscribers in his channel and gets thousands of viewers on every video that they upload and thousands of subscribers every day. Then they never show their face, only their creative work with life hacking things. As you can see guys, there are a lot of ways to earn money online, but that's enough for today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel before you lose the way to learn how to earn money online. If you don't find yourself on this video, then subscribe because I uploading every week new ways to make money online on internet. God bless you and your family. Bye.